The ANCEL V5BT Automobile Professional Scanner may be the tool that you are looking for your wireless needs. Check online again for further details about your product. This product has a lot to offer, a lot of features and functions, and we can't go over everything in this video. From the makers of ANCEL, it's a professional OBD reader. It has many features that's in the unit that we're briefly going to go over. Let's unbox it and show you what you get inside and show you how to clear a code and diagnose some things with the unit. Comes in a nice handle, a nice package. We're going to open up the box and pull out the contents inside. You have a nice black carrying bag with the logo ANCEL, 2 zippers, a rubber handle, hard case. Easy to unzipper and open up with a net finish holding your accessories and instruction manual. This is your user guide in a number of languages, how to operate the unit and go over in detail. You have a USB brick charger, your USB-C to A cable, a wall mount, an OBD reader module. On the opposite side, pulling the tab will be your main unit. It is protected in a foam plastic bag and ANCEL. Rubber on each side, nice large screen. With the USB-C, an SDXC card slot, a USB port, and a silver on-off button. On the back is your speaker and a kickstand to open up the unit and display. The unit is all touch features with a rubber silicone screen. This is IP rated to a certain extent. With the power brick and USB-A cable, plug in the unit and charge for your first time. We have the indicator of a large charging symbol and charging. The unit can be run off of the AC, and over here by the index finger you see a soft blue light that is your charging indicator. The ANCEL V5 and V5BT Bluetooth. Long press the unit to light up. The logo and the booting takes a couple of seconds. The unit has a built-in battery of a 3.7 volt at 5,000 milliamps. Follow the instructions the unit is telling you and we'll get back to the main screen. Log in. Simple as hitting log in. Enter your password and you're ready to go. We are going to set up Bluetooth by going into Settings, System Settings, Connected Devices, Bluetooth, Pair New Device. We are pairing our Bluetooth phone to the unit by confirming the pair. We have successfully paired the unit ANCEL by connecting, and we are Bluetooth ready. The ANCEL has a module that you simply find and plug in. When plugged in, you're going to get a light and it's going to communicate to your unit. As we briefly go over the unit, we're going to hit the diagnostics. We're in Asia and we're in a Toyota, so we simply swipe up till we find Toyota. The account has not been logged in. We'll do that at a later time. And we're going to do a vehicle auto scan. You can put your VIN number in as well. As the unit starts to scan, you can see on top there's voltage. And it tells you North America, Europe, or Japan. So we're going to just basically find the car we need. If we make a mistake, we need to back out. Hit the back button. Going to be a Japan model, Toyota, or European and other model, Corolla. Multi-mode and others, multi-mode manual transmission. Okay. Do a quick test, a system diagnostics, a hot, a custom setting, and vehicle information. Engine and ECT, DTC1, cruise control, APS, multi-mode, and so forth. So you can see everything's all there. It looks good. We're going to just basically back out. We're going to enter the quick test, and we're going to do a system diagnostics, powertrain, chassis, body. Well, let's look at the body. The SRS airbag we can look at. Look at the chassis, ABS, EMPS. Hit the next. Connecting to the EC, looking for the trouble codes. P0101 present mass airflow circuit range performance problem. So we have a issue there we could diagnose and whatnot. So we'll continue to back out and look at the APS VSC TRS. Anti-lock brakes, stability control, and brake system that controls the safety system. For VSC vehicles only, ensure proper communications. The engine is idling. Troubleshoot the codes. P0101. So let's back out. And we have custom settings and hot functions. Let's look at the hot functions. Look at the injectors. This function is not supported for this model. And ABS bleeding. So if we were to bleed the ABS brakes, it's not supported for this model. So let's back out. And vehicle information to tell us the VIN number and whatnot. Connecting to the vehicle for the next test. We can swipe down on the screen. You can see that we are Bluetooth, airplane mode, and so forth, video. We swipe over to the other sides, bringing up, you have the back button, home button, and so forth. If I wanted to save the picture of my diagnostics, I hit this button here. It saves the picture. If I want to view it, information of the vehicle and the tests, questions, and so forth. Data stream anomaly. Codes, bring it up. Gives me a complaint concern, an attachment. I could go to the gallery. And there's my picture and put that into the program. My vehicle, auto scan, and so forth. Switch screens like so. You can see all the screens I have. If I want to clear it, I hit clear all. I'll look for a new version to the program. This is the new version, the latest version. So in here, I'm saying, hey, your car doesn't register. I come over here, I take a picture. And I could simply say, these are the cars I have, and share this with my client. I come over here and I could look for information like, what about the data stream anomaly? It'll open up to the Google map and give me the information provided. If I was changing oil and I want to reset the oil, counting up to 100%, we have changed our oil. We're all done. We'll pull out our module and we simply shut the machine off by hitting the off and exit diagnostics. Power down the machine like so. Power off, and then we could go check another car at a later time. The ANCEL V5BT. They make a number of models, the V5 as well. It is a full scanner diagnostics tool for your recent car. It is bidirectional, Bluetooth, and wireless. It has CAN FD protocols and more. You can reset your headlights, your ABS bleeding, your oil changes, and many more features. It has all the makes and models of your vehicles in one unit. It is touch sensitive. It is an on and off unit through the controls of the top. You have the ability to record video and images as well. I hope you enjoy your product. If this is something that you are after in your auto repair needs. Thank you for viewing.